Hey there, you've just discovered a magical money tree, but you have no pockets to carry the fruits. That's the dilemma many people face when they want to invest with Newton. How do you actually get your hard-earned cash into the platform? Let's dive into the world of Newton transfers. Hook. Ever heard the saying, money makes the world go round? Well, in the world of investing, money makes the market go round. And Newton is your ticket to that bustling market. Context. Newton is a popular investment platform that allows you to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. But before you can start exploring the markets, you need to fund your Newton account. Main content. Understanding the transfer process. Log into your Newton account. This is the first step. Ensure you have a verified Newton account. Navigate to the deposit page. Look for the deposit or fund account option. It's usually found in the top right corner or under your profile. Choose your deposit method. Newton offers various deposit methods. Popular options include bank transfers, debit/credit cards, and e-wallets. Bank transfers. Local bank transfers. If you're a Nigerian, you'll likely use a local bank transfer. Newton will provide you with a unique account number and reference code. Simply input these details into your online banking platform and initiate the transfer. International bank transfers. For those living outside Nigeria, you might need to use an international bank transfer. Newton will provide you with their SWIFT code and account details. Be sure to double-check these details to avoid delays. Debit/credit cards. Quick and easy, using a debit or credit card is often the fastest way to fund your Newton account. Simply enter your card details and the amount you want to deposit. Instant deposits. Most card deposits are processed instantly, allowing you to start investing immediately. E-wallets. Popular options. Newton supports popular e-wallets like PayPal and Skrill. If you have funds in these wallets, you can transfer them directly to your Newton account. Easy process. The process is similar to using a debit or credit card. Just select your e-wallet and follow the on-screen instructions. Important considerations. Minimum deposit amounts. Newton may have minimum deposit amounts for different payment methods. Ensure you check these requirements before initiating a transfer. Processing times. While most deposits are processed quickly, there might be slight delays depending on the payment method and your bank's processing times. Fees. Some payment methods may incur fees, especially for international transfers. Check Newton's fee structure to avoid surprises. Troubleshooting tips. Verify account details. Double-check that you've entered the correct account details, including the reference code. Check bank holidays. If it's a bank holiday, transfers might be delayed. Contact Newton support. If you're still facing issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Newton's customer support. Conclusion. Funding your Newton account is a simple process. By understanding the available options and following the steps outlined, you can easily transfer money and start your investment journey. With Newton, you're just a click away from exploring the global markets. So, what are you waiting for? Deposit your funds and let the investing adventure begin. End. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.